Qualities of a good affiliate marketer. As an affiliate marketer, it's not enough to constantly push links with the desire to drive sales. To be a successful marketer, you need to have certain qualities that will help you continuously grow your business. As much as it can be smooth to go from a newbie to an expert in affiliate marketing, it can also be easy to be unsuccessful. Many of the people you see who are successful affiliates have put certain strategies in place. Here are some qualities of a good affiliate marketer. Consistency. Consistency is key in the affiliate marketing world. Even during times when it seems like no one cares about what you're putting out, you need to keep going. You need to pick your niche, select a promotional strategy, and be consistent with it. Although there are certain market trends you might need to adapt to, a successful affiliate marketer doesn't throw away consistency. Even when you don't see immediate results, consistency is what keeps pushing you in the right direction for success. Desire to learn. If you have a growth mindset, then you can be a successful affiliate marketer. No matter what stage you're at in your affiliate marketing journey, it's important to always be willing to learn. If you stay stagnant, believing your methods are always going to be right, it can hinder your progress. Affiliate marketers who are always thirsty for knowledge will most likely move forward in the industry. You can learn from experts and even your competitors. Creativity. You need to stand out in a market where so many people are striving to be successful. Creativity will distinguish you from your competitors and make your offerings more attractive to your audience. Highly creative affiliate marketers know how to connect with their audience using creative tools and quality content. From creating persuasive landing and bridge pages to crafting relatable copy and visuals, creativity plays a key role. Socializing. This might sound contradictory considering how affiliates spend most of their time on devices, but socializing is necessary. The professional term, in this case, would be networking. Forget the idea of being a lone wolf in your practice. You also need to interact with other affiliate marketers and professionals in the field to move ahead. That wraps things up for the video today. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later.